Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I recently purchased two new Lina Nail Art stamping plates from Nail Art UK. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Let's Doodle 03. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So in the last video I forgot to show that Lina Nail Art have actually changed the envelope sleeves. They still have the name label on the back of them. I'm not sure, I think these tabs might stick out of stamper plate holders. I may be wrong, I haven't tried it yet. I'm really unsure on them if I have to be fair. The backs of the plates have also had a slight change as well. They used to be white butterflies, but they're now black, and there was also lots of them as where there's now only a few. They're also slightly raised as well. I still like the backs of the plates, it's the envelope sleeves I'm really not too sure on. So I have 5 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto with my usual stamper and scraper. For the first swatch I'll be using a bright pink nail tip along with a white stamping polish. When I did this swatch I was like, oh wow, I really like that. It's bright and it's bold. It's great for any spring or summer manis. It's not a usual combination that I would do, but I really do like it. For the next swatch I'll be using a white nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. With this image I think it would look brilliant if it was stamped in a really dark black and then maybe coloured in with either Sharpies or nail polishes or even watercolours. This is a classic spring flower design. I almost used it for my mani. Maybe next time. For the next swatch I'll be using a coral nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. I love using this colour combo, it looks brilliant and these flowers just look fantastic. I sort of want to say they have like an old-fashioned picture look to them. That detail is just beautiful. I do wonder what they would also look like coloured in as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a light purple nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. I was hoping to get this swatch a little more centred than it looks. Even with the nail tip facing me, I can never get swatches properly centred. But this is still a very beautiful design. I do sort of think crystals would look great in the centre of the main flowers. For the next swatch I'll be using a red nail tip along with a pearl white stamping polish. With this swatch I will remove the excess before stamping down, it's just something I like to do. This image really has so much detail, the flowers look amazing, and even with these nail tips there is still some free nail available, but these would definitely fill smaller nails. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Lina Nail Art Let's Doodle 03. Lina Nail Art Let's Doodle 03 is just full of amazing floral images, from which there is 24 large designs along with 6 smaller designs down the centre. A lot of these designs will look amazing with the flowers and leaves all coloured in, or even over a multicoloured background. They will look brilliant. This is actually something I don't do a lot of, but I definitely want to do more of in the future. Each image has a crazy amount of very fine detail, which has all swatched brilliantly, and I just used the same stamp I did in the video section. Floral nails are a massive trend on social media for spring and summer manis, and if you like floral manis then this will probably be a plate you might want to add to your collection. I'm definitely glad that it's in mine. Let's Doodle 03 is just brilliant. I already have Let's Doodle 01 and Let's Doodle 02, which I have done full swatch reviews on, and you can find the links in the description box below for both of them videos. 01 and 02 are full of more amazing floral designs, and I definitely want to create a mani using all 3 of the plates together. I'm already working on my design, and I'm also thinking of bringing it to my channel as a mani tutorial. I was very impressed with how all the swatches turned out. Even the 3 open space images, they will look amazing stamped in black over a multicoloured background. Again, it's not something I do very often. I do see it a lot on social media and they look amazing when they're done. But I know that I'll be using Let's Doodle 03 quite a bit in the next few months. For someone who didn't use Floral very much, I now have quite a large collection of floral stamping plates. So now I just need to finish my mani for all the 3 plates so I can return to make some more from Let's Doodle 03. So for the mani, I went with a double green mani, a dark green gel polish base along with a light green stamping polish. I used 2 different images to create this mani, and I have to say I absolutely love how this has turned out. It has really got me ready for some spring manis. It wasn't what I had originally designed, it changed at the last minute, but I'm really happy with it. I also went matte, which I just think adds something different to it. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I would be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Let's Doodle 03. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.